All right, today I have a Hyundai Accent and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the windshield wipers as well as the windshield washer fluid on this particular vehicle. But before we get started, if you like my content, can you subscribe to my channel and also give me a like or thumbs up? I'll appreciate it tremendously. If you don't want to, you don't have to. All right, so let's get started. Oh, also check out the description part of the page. I'll leave a link to more videos about the Hyundai Accent that you can find helpful. All right, so let's get going. All right, so I'm behind the steering wheel of the vehicle, as you can see. I'm going to look through the steering wheel, and do you see this lever right here? This lever right here is how you control the windshield wipers, all right? Now, I'm going to go with the mist, okay? As you can see right here, it's pointing upwards for mist. Now, the mist will wipe a mist away. All right, let's try that, okay? The mist, it wipes once and turns off. The next, we're going to go to intermittent mode, okay? That's the next step down here. When it's in intermittent mode, you can adjust the intermittents like this right here. Do you see this? All right, it adjusts the intermittents of how it wipes. And we go down one more time, it is in low, all right? So we're going to go one more time for low, and the windshield wipers are on low, all right? Pretty cool. Now to turn it on high, I'm going to go down here, and now it is on high, just like that. All right, we're going to go up to turn it off, bring it all the way up, and it turns off. Now, let's talk about the rear window. Rear window to turn it on. Excuse me, a little dust. I'm going to switch this up to on, and look at it. The rear window on the hatchback, it is actually wiping the window. All right, to turn it off, I'm just going to go right here and go like that. All right, pretty cool. Now, let's talk about the windshield washer, okay? So we're going to turn on the windshield washer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this lever and pull it towards me, and look, it's washing the windshield. All right, pretty cool. Now I'm going to take this same lever, all right, and I'm going to push it forward, and it's going to wash the rear window. Now watch this. Well, maybe that doesn't work. Excuse me. Correction. What I'm going to do is going to take this, twist it, and then go all the way up to where it washes window. And look at that. It's washing the rear window just like that. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. After you're done, don't forget to turn this off. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks a lot for watching.